There are a few things to keep in mind when finding and formatting your reference photo prior to painting. First, keep the quality of your reference photo in mind. A blurry or low quality photo is going to make it really difficult to paint a detailed and accurate painting. Try to find a clear and sharp reference photo to use as your guide. If you're creating a portrait for a client, either take your own photos using great lighting and a high quality camera, or ask to choose one photo from a few that they selected that's going to give you the most amount of information to work from. Second, make sure that your reference photo is proportional to the size of your painting surface. You can do this by scanning the photo or taking a picture with a camera or a smartphone. If the picture is glossy, you can use this app by Google to help reduce the glare of the photograph.
It's a good thing all those precious memories are safely backed up and perfectly organized in a they're in a box in the attic. Get out the gigantic flatbed scanner, find the right cord, download the driver, and bam! Photos saved forever. And bam! Wouldn't it be great if there was like a technology that was kind of like a mini scanner, like a handheld? Oh, hello. With the PhotoScan app, just hold your phone over any printed photo and go boop, 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 done. And you've got a high-res digital copy of the original without any glare. And it's not just a photo of a photo, because that looks like this. And if you have Google Photos, all your photos will be organized by face or place. It took you 4.5 hours to get ready for this photo. The least you can do is spend a few seconds to scan it forever. Photos from the past meet scanner from the future. PhotoScan by Google Photos.
Once you have your photo, you can resize it using a free program like Acrobat Reader or Canva, as I show you in my free bonus lessons. I will place links to those videos in the description box below this video. You are going to want to resize your reference photo to be the same exact size as the canvas or the surface that you were working on. And we'll be printing out this reference photo in black and white, and it will be used for us to create our image transfer onto our canvas. So it is important that the photo is the exact same size as our surface. Third, you're going to need to print out at least 3 copies of your black and white reference photo. One copy is going to be used for our image transfer. One is going to be used to help us see our values accurately. And I always like to have an extra one on hand just in case for backup. Finally, you're going to want to have one copy of your reference photo in color, and this is going to help us when we begin our color glazing. Now, keep in mind that your printer may not always print out an accurate color version of your reference photo. So if you have an option, you may want to keep a tablet or a laptop on hand so you can see the proper colors when it comes time for glazing.